Hello and welcome back to the channel. And a new video, this time looking at the newly released iPhone 13 Pro Max and if you can use it with some older DJI devices as well as the current Mini 2 and Air 2S. Let's start with the DJI Mavic Mini and the other drones shown here which use an older design controller. Firstly, insert the cable into the controller. Then open the arms and feed the cable inside of the left arm. This is only if you're using the original shorter cable, as it will not reach around the outside. Now before you put the 13 Pro Max into the arms, connect the lightning cable. Then simply insert it, adjust the arms to fit the phone snugly and you're good to go. The phone is a tight fit, especially with the standard cable, but it does fit and you can fly safely using the 13 Pro Max and the larger 6.7-inch display. Now let's have a look at the older OSMO Mobile 3 phone gimbal. Initially I'm using it on the stand. Unfold the gimbal and insert the phone. You can see even with the case on, the phone fits fine and the clip grips it safely. It might be worth taking out the case for a really secure fit, but it is secure enough with the case on. When switching on, the gimbal levels itself with no problem and no vibrations from the motor. You can control it without any issues, including switching it from portrait to landscape mode. Here is some basic footage filmed with the 13 Pro Max in the OSMO Mobile 3, and you can see there are no issues with the size or the weight, and the motor has no vibration issues. As with the Mavic Mini, you can use the iPhone 13 Pro Max safely in the OSMO Mobile 3, and it's likely that this is also the case with the newer OM4 and the recently launched OM5. Finally, let's take a look at the newer controller, which is used with the DJI Mavic Air 2, the Mini 2 and the new Air 2S. Here I'm using it with the standard cable which comes with the controller. There are no problems inserting it, getting it safe, or using it with the cable, as there's plenty of reach for the phone. So again, you can safely use the iPhone 13 Pro Max with the DJI controller for these drones with no issues at all. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. If you did, please like and consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you on the next one.